it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have been organizing, meaning trying to put stuff in my portfolio that I have finished, and I pulled out these. These are some of my unfinished diamond paintings, and so I thought part one of what I hope will be a 3-part series, may end up being 4, we will see, of what's in Jenn's stash. So this is what's in this makeshift portfolio I made, which is 2, I don't know what you would call it, like cardboard, foam board with some duct tape to glue them to, or tape them together and then lay them flat. So I figured part 1 is what's in here. Part 2 will be my really large ones that don't fit in here, as well as my rolled up ones from like Amazon. And then part 3, and it may be in this order, may not, but part 3 hopefully will be like Diamond Art Club, Diamond Dots, Leisure Arts, what are some other ones? Dreamer Designs, some of the ones that have come in boxes that I keep in boxes. So let's get started, shall we? And most of these that are in this portfolio are really old. I may or may not know where I received these canvases from, so please, if I don't mention it, I probably don't know. Also, many that are in this portfolio I bought a while ago, so it doesn't mean I'm recommending the company, it's just showing you what I have, okay? So this first one I got is when I learned my lesson on looking to see if there's a partial or non-partial. So this is a Gorgeous Girl. It is round, but it is a partial. And I thought I really love these browns and reds together. I didn't realize it was going to be a partial, but it is. And so I haven't done it yet. Okay. This one is an elephant one I received for my birthday last year from my dear friend Ashley from Ashley's Diamond Painting and Unboxings. And so this is round as well, 30 by 40. This one is a little cute one, 20 by 20. You can see here the little thumbnail. It was the free one that came with the gorgeous girl I just showed you. This was one I won off of AliExpress. If you can see there, it's dopey and it is square, and it has, I don't know how many, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 33-ish colors. This is one from Sander Direct off of AliExpress. I received a 4-pack with birds, mostly cardinals. And I used this, it's a 30 by 40, but I used it as a, oh, I think I put the plastic on wrong. There's 2 sides to every plastic. I think I put this one on the wrong side. I have to fix that later. But I was using it as a how to use a multi-placer. So it's in here, 17 colors. Okay, this one is, I don't know what it's from, but I did not realize, or actually I got this one as a custom, and I had gotten this as a pattern. I had bought the pattern and then I sent in the picture. That's right when I was learning about customs and licensing, copyrights, different things like that. Let's see what size that is. This is a 45 color, 40 by 50. 40 by 50 is my sweet spot. Okay, this is a 40 by 50. Here's the thumbnail. Let me see if I get it so you guys can see it the right way. I really like this one. I unboxed it on camera. It's beautiful. It'll probably be one I do pretty soon, just because it keeps coming in the back of my head. It's round. It's gorgeous. I can't wait. It has lots of beautiful colors. And I want to get it done before anything happens to it. This was a wonderful gift from Rhonda. Rhonda, where are you? I miss you. This is what I call my rainbow elephant. I actually have it all kitted up, so I need to do that shortly. So if you know where Rhonda is, let me know. It's a 50 by 40. This goes along with the one I just finished, my teal mandolin flower. This was the peacock that I purchased at the same time. Look at those gorgeous colors. I didn't realize it was going to come off like that. Pay attention, people, pay attention. So here's the thumbnail for you guys. So it's a really pretty peacock. It was on my wish list for a long time. And then when I purchased the mandolin flower, if you bought a certain amount, you got more money off. Okay, so this one I got for Christmas with the exchange. So it pays to, I had a wonderful partner, and I had requested this little light of mine. It's a chalkboard painting. Just a second. The double-sided adhesive decided to have an issue here in the corner. So I'm pulling it up and putting it back down. I have to fix that later. But maybe you can see it. Here it's the little fireflies coming out of the mason jar hanging off the tree. This is the messed up one. I supposedly got it for free, and then they charged me, and then it came, and it's a 50 by 60, and it is horrible. So I haven't touched it. It has puckers and wrinkles and whatnot, and I keep pulling it out because I love the colors, but then I don't want to deal with, but it's this daisy one, but it's the double-sided adhesive has pulled away from the canvas, and I keep thinking I'm going to deal with it. It's a square, but I do not recommend. I did not like Yike's customer service. I did not like their product. So yeah. Okay, so this one I got to review. This was from Crafty Mint, I believe. And it is an elephant. So it is gorgeous, this beautiful elephant. Currently, they are not doing diamond paintings. They're investing their time into accessories and light pads. I heard through the grapevine by Christmas, they're hoping to have a 4s and a 2s in their amazing light pad. Oh my goodness. It's fantastic, their light pad. I love it. It's the best out there, I think. Okay, so these I purchased as customs through Huacan, but it was during the drill Armageddon about 18 months ago. And so I'm worried about how they're going to come out, but I just loved this girl with the red hair and the dandelions. This is a 47 color, 60 by 40. This is whoops, sorry guys. Earthquake. This is Child Belle. It's a little girl, and it's a 40 by 50 Huacan. You can't see much there. Let me see about this one. So there's Belle. I think this is going to turn out well. I just hope the drills don't pop. If they do, this is one I might purchase drills because I really like it. Okay. This is my Gorgeous Girl collections. This is the girl coming out of the pot. This is a 60 by 40. This is Gorgeous Girl on the Moon. And this is 46 colors, again, 60 by 40. They ended up doing 60 by 40 instead of 50 by 40 because of how the layout was. This is another 60 by 40, which just doesn't fit in my portfolio. So I'll have to figure something else out. I love green. Green's one of my favorite colors. So this is a green gorgeous girl. Again, 48 colors, 60 by 40. This is a custom of Zoey. I just did a video on her. You can go check out Jenn too. My last Jenn 2 video. This is Zoey, my dog, and she's adorable as a puppy. This is 50 colors, 60 by 50. And then in honor of our dog, which passed, Kaylee, my daughter wanted me to get a custom of Kaylee as a puppy. So that's Kaylee Boo. And that's 49 colors, 60 by 50. I had to get them large because I didn't want the color, browns and blacks, to all come together. Okay, so we're gonna take a second, pull these down. These are the ones I just showed you. They keep falling, so I'm gonna put them down underneath. Okay, I'm really excited to do this one. This is from AZQSD. It was a custom I had done of a bee on a flower, a sunflower-like Crashly. You know I like sunflowers. So this was 50 colors, and it's a 70 by 50. And then the last one in my portfolio is this night thinking daydreaming picture, which I thought was super cute. I accidentally got 2 of these. So Gail S, I think, won the award or the contest I had that gave out the other one of these. And then I am doing the last part of this collection, or this portfolio was, just trying to fit these all in here so I don't hurt them. The last part was this 5-panel that I'm doing right now, which is I'm doing for the Get Your Big On. And it's trying to get it so you can see what's going on here. I know. You're like, what the heck? Okay. 35, 35, 20. I don't know what I'm doing. 20. Oh. Okay. A, B, C. There we go. I don't know if this is right, but it is a lighthouse scape. So the 5th panel I'm currently working on right now. It's over here to my left. But this is a lighthouse scape, and this was the last part that was in here. I've had it rolled up a little bit because I pulled it out for the Get Your Big On. It's also a Huican that I had gotten during the Drillmageddon time period. However, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the drills. They are having popping issues, but I'm pushing through it. So this is what it's coming out to be, but every time I come back to it, they're popping, so I need to get something heavy to stick on it at night to kind of press down the drills. So that's it. So I hope you liked part 1 of my stash. I'd love to know which one was your favorite down below, which one you'd look forward to me doing in the future. This is part of my older stash, so I am pulling from it from time to time for this last year stash. That's where I got my teal mandolin that I did, and where I've been getting like this for Get Your Big On. So I'm hoping to keep pulling from it to get Slasher Stash 2020 taken care of. So down below, let me know what is what was your favorite? What would you like to see me do? And if you don't have an opinion, you know, what are you hoping to do? So thank you so much. I can't wait to see you at part 2. And until next time, be blessed. Bye-bye.